फकत एक पॉइंट एजेंडा टू ओपोज द एक्सपान्शन ऑफ द गार्बेज प्लांट. आमी तुझे रिपोर्टरांचे सगळ्यांचे मिडियाचे प्रिंट मिडिया सगळ्यांचे उपकार आडयता तुम्ही हांगा आयल्या म्हणून. मातशे आमी फॉलो करून करतले ते करता आमी जाता तितले. गव्हर्मेंटाचे पळय आमकां हे दिल्या मिटिंगाचे नॉर्म्स दिल्या त्या पासून मातशी केन्नाय उलयत आसतना आमची चूक जाता कित्याक आमी ट्राय करता ते मेंटेन करपाक खरेपणी जायना.
पासेस आम्ही हे स्टार्ट करतो. अजून कॅबिनेटान पास करूंक ना. द मुवमेंट कॅबिनेट पासेस दिस पर्टिक्युलर मूव आम्ही वी विल सी टू दॅट स्टॉप.
Only because it was going to be for more villages than Saligaon and Kalagut. But when the assurance was given that the plant was for 2 constituencies only, Kalagut and Saligaon, we gave a go-ahead with the condition that CM that time had approved that it would be only for 2 constituencies. And the plant was done only to tackle the garbage which was lying there, and that the plant would be only of 100 tons. Now we are hearing the plant is going expansion. This has been going on every now and then. It's going on after every 3 months. There is a process of expansion. Sometimes they just keep quiet and then suddenly they come up with expansion. I don't know what the situation is all about in the government, but they should make a stand clear that this plant will never be expanded henceforth from now on. So our stand is very clear that we are not opposing the plant, but we are opposing the expansion of the plant. We also urge the government to take care of the garbage which is there, which was part of the deal that they will clear the garbage which was lying there for all these years. That is the main reason that few of the people accepted the proposal, because the garbage there was about 50 to 60,000 tons. To take care of that garbage, the plant was accepted. But now it is going out of hand, and we stand very firm.
Saligaon plant जहाँ ते expansion करतात म्हणून on behalf of the people as well as the village panchayat of Saligaon along with the honorable MLA आम्ही हे expansion of plant completely oppose करता कित्याक आमकां हांगासर plant expansion केलेले नाका. जे आहा पळय ते चलता ते well and fine, but any expansion to that plant will not be accepted. We are completely opposing this thing because as of now along with the existing plant only we are facing lot of problems. जे गार्बेज पळय येता ती आमची इंटिरियर रोड्सांसान येता. आमकां लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स फेस जाता. केन्नाय ते ट्रक्स वॅन्स ओवरलोडेड आसता आनी ते नितळ करपाक मागीर आमकां पडटा. आमकां कांयच बेनिफीट मेळोंक ना हातूंतसान. सो विथ द एक्सपान्शन आवर प्रॉब्लम्स वील ओनली इनक्रीज, इट वोंट डिक्रीज. इट वील नॉट बी ऑफ एनी हेल्प टू अस. सो we along with the people and our honorable MLA we are completely opposing this thing and we do not want the expansion of the Saligaon plant. जेवणाच्या टायमार बसून इतलो वास येता की सोसूंक जायना, लोकांक जेवण जेवंक जायना. जे ट्रक्स पळय येता ते खंयच्याय टायमाचेर येता. तर लोकांक कंटिन्युअसली एवरी सिंगल डे लोकांचे मेसेजी आसता, कॉल्स आसता की प्लांट आयज कितें जालां खबर ना, तितूंतल्यान एकदमूच वास येता म्हणून. सो आमकां हे प्रॉब्लम आनीक नाका आमच्या विलेजीन. जे कोणेन पळय डिसायड केल्लेलें बायंपिणी या खंयसर तांणी तें थंयसर करूं येता. थंयसरलो लोक तर ऑब्जेक्ट करता जाल्यार आमचेर हाडून कित्याक घालूंक सोदतात ते. आमी कित्याक दुसऱ्याची गार्बेज घेवपाची सगळे फावटी. जे पळय आमचे लेट CMान प्रॉमीस केल्लेली की इतलेच प्लेसी आसतल्यो म्हणून ताजी प्रॉमीस दवरून आमकां हे प्लांट आहा तोहेच दवरपाचे. एक्सपान्शन आमकां नाका हातून.
Of the Kalangut Comunidad, to say it is from the Kalangut Comunidad, but it is affecting us more. सालिगांवकारांक ही इफेक्ट जाता, पिलेनकारांक ही इफेक्ट जाता. Today everybody is on the same line that we are strongly objecting the expansion of this treatment plant. आता ही मशिनरी सुद्धा जी हाडल्या पळय ही मशिनरी आउटडेटेड आसा. लायक द थिंकिंग ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट टुडे इज आउटडेटेड. देर आर सो मेनी एक एग्जाम्पल दिवं शकता असले गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट्स आसा विच आर सेट अप फॉर 4 crores. 4 कोटींनी जे गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट हॅव मेड द फ्रंट पेज ऑफ द मॅगझिन्स. In 4 crores entire Nagpur is treated. In 4 crores entire Varanasi is treated. अशे एक्झाम्पल्स आसा आनी अशे एक्झाम्पल्स जेन्ना आसा पळय मे बी इट इज अ टायम कन्ज्युमींग. मे बी तुका थोडो टायम लागतलो. मे बी यू वील द नेक्स्ट मिनिस्टर हूज गोइंग टू कम इन पावर वील बी एबल टू हँडल इट. बट गो थ्रू अ प्रोसेस. लोकांक त्रास करनाका म्हणटा. आतां वी हॅव ऑब्जेक्टेड. आमी लास्ट टायम ऑब्जेक्शन केल्लें. सो नाव टील नाव इट वॉज इन द कोल्ड स्टोरेज. आय डोंट understand why suddenly at this hour this plant expansion has to come up surface at this point. There are many more projects which are to be done by the government. आमकां तेजे कडेन लक्ष दिया. हांगासर आयज जो एपिडेमिक आमचे कडेन आसा तेजे कडेन लक्ष दिया. Distribution कडेन लक्ष दिया. There are various issues we are facing today. We had a meeting today with electricity department की आमच्या हांगासर लायटी मेळना, आमच्या हांगासर लोकांक एक्स्ट्रा मिटराचेर एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज जाता. हे सारखे इश्यूज आसा. टॉक टू पीपल ऑन दीस इश्यूज. लोकांची आयज जोड ना. स्मॉल टायम कोण हे आसा पळय धंदेकार आसा पळय ते आयज सफर जाता. All these issues are there and suddenly you divert everything towards garbage is a big joke and we will not take this lying down. All the Saligaon people, the panchayat body, civic forums, the vigilant Saligaonkars and everybody, all the Komunidad, Sakle are of one opinion that we will not let the government go ahead with this particular expansion. Plant is a failure, first point, because the machinery which was there, which was showed, and this machinery is totally, it's a failure today. And there is much more advanced technology. Adopt those technologies and place those technologies in all the constituencies. Let all the constituencies handle their own garbage. There is technology for it and a much better technology than what is available here at Saligaon.
By ex-CM Parrikar was that this plant will be specifically for Saligaon, Kalangut village, Kandoli village and 2-3 adjacent villages of Saligaon constituency. Not entire North Goa, and now it is becoming entire India side. So because of this, when it was announced, पहले बड़ी announce केले त्यांना, we personally, this Komunidad committee, the panchayat members, Mr. Jayesh went to the CM and आम्ही CM आमोरी discussion करून ताणे आमकां एश्योरन्स दिल्ले आपणे ऑल्सो दोगा सायंटिस्टां लागचे रिपोर्ट मागल्या म्हणून आनी ते सायंटिस्ट रिपोर्ट दितोच आमी तुमकां टेबल करतले ते रिपोर्ट पूण त्या म्हणसर तुमकां सांगिनासतना आमी कांयच एक्सपान्शन करचें ना तेच भाशेन आमचो मिनिस्टर मायकल लोबो थी आमी ताच्या घरा गेल्ले घरा वयता आसतना आमचे बरोबर आमची कोमिडा कमिटी आसली आनी एशली आसलो आनी एकलो भुरगो आसलो. This is on record that this, and there were some garbage plant people over there from another plant, these people have come to put a plant and we are not going to expand this plant. I guarantee you it is finished. This is not going to get expanded. So ताचे उतरार and सीएमाचे उतरार आमी आनी फुडें चर्चा करूं ना ह्या मॅटराचेर पूण तरी पंचायत आमची बोन कितें कमेंट येतो ते करतले कितें ना कितें चर्चा आनी आमचो जयेश बाब आनी आमी सदांच एक हारले म्हणटात आमी कितेंय आमचे कंप्लेन हारलेले जयेशाक सांगताले आमचे ऑनरेबल एमएलए.
We will stop. आतांचे जे ट्रक्स येता पळय वी विल स्टार्ट स्टॉपिंग दोज ट्रक्स. ह्या ट्रकाचे पयलीं तर तांकां लायसन्सिंग ना, तांकां परमिशन्स ना, वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचे तांकां परमिशन्स ना, तेजी कॅपॅसिटी कितली आसा पळय ते चॅक आमी वी वील गो सामकें लिगली कितें आसा पळय तेंचे परमिशन कशे ट्रक येता कितले ट्रक येता आमी हितून वयतले इन डिटेल्स. सेकंडली वी हॅव द ऑप्शन जे तेंच्यांनी सांगलेले पळय प्रॉमिसीस केल्ले पळय द केस वॉज इन द हायकोर्ट, द सिवीक फोरम वॉज had gone to the High Court. We will go ahead with that representation of the High Court and we will see to it through the legal course also we are given relief.
Is to oppose the garbage plant. Antun आमी आपले हे मीटिंग कन्वीन करता आसतना आमचो प्रेसिडेंट एमएलए बाब जयेश, आमचो एक्स एमएलए बाब दिलीप, आमचे पळय कोण गेल्ले आमचे बरोबर आमचो एक्स सरपंच बाब एकनाथ ओरास्कर, आमचे प्रेजेंट सरपंच मिस लॉफिरा पिलेन पंचायताक आमी ट्राय केल्ले कॉन्टेक्ट करपाक तांच्यानी बरी जाग ना. दीस इज एन इमर्जन्सी मीटिंग आमी आपयल्या पैकी आमी आग्नेलान आतां धाडला आमी तुमचे बरी आसा बिकॉज कांदोली पंचायत इज ऑल्सो एफेक्टेड बाय दीस. तेच भाशेन आमचे सगळे सालिगांवचे पंच आसा हांगा आमचो प्रदीप पडवळकर टू द स्पोक्समॅन for certain causes for our village. He always takes up, I will not take any political party's name. We are not a political district. This is a meeting for the benefit of our village. for the development of our village, for the stopping of anything that will be detrimental to the health of the village in future.
The Newton's law of gravity, काय कितें तें म्हाका खबर ना, that the corona will go up and then come down. But here in Saligaon, that law is applicable. What goes up the hill, that stink and leachate comes down. Leachate. कितें आहा पळय तें सगळें सकयल देंवता. Our wells, our water sources are contaminated today. Not only from Saligaon, Pilen, especially full Pilen, Saipen, Orda. Mr. Pongishar, there are reports from the health department. There are reports that the water is not fit to be consumed. A report Astana, when the plant was still as per promised by Mr. Manohar Parrikar, it will cater only to few villages of Saligaon constituency and Kalangut constituency. Later on they added 29 more villages or 26 more villages. From there we generate revenue. We should keep this area clean. So the people of Saligaon generously accepted that let all the villages be kept clean, and the plant capacity moved on to from 80, it moved on to 100. And from 100, jenna 80 kartale, then he had to seek permission of the people. And in open hall of the panchayat, he took permission of all the Saligaonkars. Some objected, some gave their consent. Then he took some people to show the plant. That plant is of the best quality. German technology, sagle manta. That is why on those conditions, and he laid down by then Chief Minister, की आमी plant कितले capacity ची घालतले. Plant असो आसतलो that stink will not come out of the plant. भायर कोणाक वास येवचो ना, दुर्गंधी कोणाक येवची ना. The water table will not be affected. Contamination जावचे ना. The roads there will be dedicated roads for the plant, not through the villages. We will have separate roads to the plant. ते सांगलेले plus compactor सांगलेले. Now these trucks which are plying with open garbage and with the leachate dropping down on the trucks, we have stopped so many trucks. जेन्ना आमी plantaचा फाटलो last moment जालो पळय तेन्ना, who is from the Saligaon Comunidad, with आमचे सरपंच, the entire पंच, आमचो आदलो सरपंच, तशेंच आतांचे सगळे फूल बॉडी पंचायत बॉडी, तशेंच Saligaon Civic and Consumer Forum, Saligaon villagers and all the stakeholders of Saligaon village, neighboring villages who will be affected by the expansion which is announced yesterday. Breaking news मळयला काल की Saligaon plant, garbage treatment plant to be expanded to 250 tons. आता पयरचो एक व्हिडिओ आसा. I would like to quote that, not going on political lines, because this is not a political meeting or this is not a political press conference. This press conference specially to voice out आमचे जे grievances आसा against the treatment plant or fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Saligaon with regard to the garbage treatment plant. The roads are spoiled. The roads are becoming dangerous for the traffic, for the children. There are schools in the vicinity, in Saligaon vicinity. हे सगळे असताना तरी असताना इवन आफ्टर हॅविंग सच अ बिग मिटींग लोकांनी आपले सगळे वॉइसेस ग्रीवेन्सीस हांगासर एक्सप्रेस केले फ्रॉम ऑल सेक्टर्स, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम पॉलिटिकल बॅकग्राउंड बट पीपल who care for Saligaon, people who are there working on various forums in Saligaon villages. यांच्यानी सगळ्यांनी आपापले वॉइसेस ग्रीवेन्सीस हांगा एक्सप्रेस केले अँड वी हॅड अ मिटींग विथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर. आमी ताका चीफ मिनिस्टर सांगलें की दिस इज द थिंग अँड चीफ मिनिस्टर एग्रीड की हांगासर आमी 2 सायंटिस्ट घालतले आनी आमी करतले म्हणून. देर आर एग्जाम्पल्स सेट ऑल ओवर इंडिया that there has to be centralization of the plants. You cannot have a plant, a central facility for garbage. It is not viable, it is not workable, and it is not supposed to be there in one place. Time bomb कसं करून दवरू नका. It is already a bomb, but I think by increasing the plant capacity is trying to make it a time bomb. फुडें तो तेणें तेन्ना अनाउन्स केल्लें की I will put up a plastics incinerator म्हणून. आता why, my question to him is, why are you getting everything in Saligaon? For Saligaon, we are not giving permission for high-rise buildings. I mean, we are trying to maintain the village as it is clean. People of Saligaon are very sensitive towards the village. Greenery maintain कशी करपाची हे सगळे इश्यू हांगासर डिस्कस जाता. It is a heritage village. पेपरांनी आमी पळयता की heritage village, because of heritage village we are even opposed to the development which is supposed to happen in Saligaon. आता हे सगळे असताना still to force this kind of a plant on Saligaon just because the facility is already there.